Today I want to show you a new development in Senai area, and it's freehold and it's very easy access and convenient location. It's very suitable for you if you're looking for investment or own stay. Let me bring you around.
So this project is very unique because it has a double exit strategy and double investment strategy for the property itself. So if you are wanting to buy it for your own stay, you can easily rent it out at the same time because it has dual key, meaning the 2-bedroom that you can use it for your own stay and the studio you can rent it out, or vice versa. So you have double return on the property because it's going to mature in the next couple of years and it's going to be done by the end of this year. So the investment, you can put it for the short term or long term, and it has a very good yield return because you can use it from now. You don't have to wait until the project completed for the next couple of years. It will be completed in next month, end of this year 2025. So you can utilize it, starting to get some rental return, and you can use it to even cover the installment because the coverage of this area is very convenient access and it's very easy for people to rent it, either short term or long term. Of course, short term will give you a higher rental return, and long term will give you more flow and convenient investment because you don't have to stress too much about the short term. So both are exist in this facility, in this area, in this property, and you can use it for your advantage because now is the right time for you to invest in this property area. And as you can see, the location is very convenient. It's located in a very easy, convenient access. As you can see, it's 3 minutes to the expressway, to the north-south bound and Senai Desaro Expressway. And also there is industrial park that is going to link a lot of industrials, a lot of people that actually working in that area. So it increased the demand for the rental, and also 25 minutes to the data center JSIZ area coverage and Iskandar Putri Sedenak Tech Park and Iskandar Putri area. Right, and there is also about 10 minutes to the international airport until the drop off there, and also there are many hotels nearby there. So it's very convenient access for people that actually want to use the property for the short-term rental and long-term rental because it's very nearby to the airport, right? And it has Senai International Airport, Impiana Hotel Senai, and Palm Resort Golf and Country Club. And there's also Sri Omega International School, where you can see this is a very convenient access to the University Technology Malaysia, UTM, very near, and easy access to that. It's about 8 minutes only, and also 10 to 15 minutes to shopping malls. And if you need to buy some groceries, shoppings with including JPO, Johor Premium Outlet, Aeon Mall Kulai, and then Paradigm Mall, right? And also 25 minutes to CIQ, KTM, and RTS station to other transportation method. So you can easily access this unit, and this is also very suitable for investment because it will attract a lot of people that commuting towards other places.
Alright, come, let's go. I want to show you around. So after you come in from the door, the main door, this is the first room that you're going to see. This room is called foyer. In this foyer, you can see there are 2 doors access because this unit is dual key. The first access here, you can go directly to 2 bedrooms, and the other room here is going to the studio directly. And you can see here, the space is very nicely designed. So you will have a shoe cabinet here that you can put all the storage for your shoe rack and all the amenities here. And so it's very suitable for you to invite guests that coming from outside, or for some investor or people that want to do short stay or long stay. Let's go inside to the 2-bedroom. Now after you come into the 2-bedroom house, and you can see here, you can put in a full height cabinet. So this one, you can just put in all the slots of your keychain, all the stuff before you go out, or the access card. You can just put in here, very easy access. And then you can see here, there are many open space layout where it adjoined together with the living room and the dining room. So if you see the layout, that is the kitchen area. After you're done from the kitchen area, you can just serve directly to the dining area. In between of these two, you can put in a mini bar area, which is the semi preparation. And this area of the dining, as you can see, it can accommodate so many people in the dining space. Meaning if you are accommodating more people, more guests, or people that come in as even as a tenant, then you can put it for more people that can serve here. From this area only, you can see there are 6 people that can accommodate. As you can see, just from the entrance there, you come into the dining area here. There's a transition, a small foyer here, small corridor, where you can put another decoration or feature wall if you want to. So to welcoming guests that come in, and you can have a very large living room because it's combined together with the dining there and can interact together, right? So if you do it for your own stay, it can accommodate a lot of guests, a lot of extended family members that just traveling from Senai Airport, they just only take 5 to 10 minutes come here to this property location. So it's very easy and convenient access. And you can see all the layout here. It's very flexible and fluid. So you can design as many sofa layout that you want, L shape or U shape. And you can see the distance in between the TV to the sofa is very spacious. Because you know, a lot of people design the living room, their TV is just maybe 2.5 meters or 3 meters to the sofa. But if you see this layout, this configuration is very spacious, so you can put the sofa pretty far away from the TV, even can reach 4 meters from this distance. So it's very spacious and very easy to manage. On the living area, that you can also design so many flexible design. As an example, because it's very long from wall to wall, you can put a very long streamline cabinet, TV console, and you can put a giant TV. As an example, this TV is not as huge, but you can put as more than 65-inch TV here with all the set of audio system, full set. So you can have a very relaxing and resort type of living room area where you can invite in guests and have more entertainment at this location. And you can see this area is well designed because it has direct view to outside, and this only 8 to 10 floors, so it's very low density, very peaceful, and you can enjoy the relaxing of time in the living room without any distraction or disturbance from the outside. And this, we are at the wet kitchen area. In this wet kitchen area, you can have a full height cabinet. As you can see, the ceiling height is very tall. So you can put a very big storage. You can put a lot of cabinet, a lot of things that you can put inside this kitchen area. And you can see there is a tabletop that you can design streamline. And there will be the cooker hood that you can put here directly on top of the cooker hob. And if you do a very heavy cooking, there's a window up there so that you can just open the window and get all the smoke, the smell outside. The good thing about this is also separated by the door, right? So when you want to avoid all the oils going into the living and dining area or wet or the dry kitchen area, that you will just close the door and the oil will not go, the smell will not go directly there. Below here, there is a washing machine slot that you can put in. So you can put in the washing machine and you can just have all the utility in this side. Now let's go to the dry kitchen area. This dry kitchen is designed for easy, convenient access, where there is a island top here. The island top is directly linked to the dining there. So this is the semi preparation. Again, the ceiling is very high, so you can design more type of the cabinet here, and you can put more oven or microwave in this area as the preparation. So this is very, very easy to access in between function and utility from the living and the kitchen area. Now let's come to see the corridor space. After done from the living room, then you come in here. There are 2 doors here. One is going to the bathroom, where you can see the bathroom layout is nicely designed and it's very easy, compact. And the bedroom side, this is the common bedroom, where in this common bedroom, as you can see, the layout, the design is very spacious still. You can even put one study table that accommodate, if you are accommodating for someone that is traveler or people who are renting this place and they're still studying, because there are many university and education institution nearby here. Now, if you want to configure the bed layout, you can see here there's one queen size bed in the middle. But if you want to accommodate more people, for example, for short term stay, then you can put 2 beds next to it. So you can accommodate 4 people instead of 2 people directly in this area. And this side, you can see the design of the wardrobe. You can put it up to the ceiling height and it's very tall. You can put any design of glass door, or you can put open space for the quick grab items and decoration that you want here, or you can also put a very solid door for the wardrobe. And as you can see, this study table or desk where you can work from home, if you have the needs of work from home, accommodating people who are travelers and people want to work from home. This study table, the unique thing is you can design it from wall to wall, so that you can have so many activities that require a lot of space on the table that you can just organize at this space directly. Let's see to the master bedroom layout, and this master bedroom is very spacious and very special design. As you can see, this bedroom, it also can accommodate very big king size in the middle of the room, and it can design a headboard space like this, so it will accommodate a very good, if you know feng shui or feng shui, that how that you can put all the amenities around here, and it's a very thick solid wood that you can put behind this at the same time, right? If you don't like this configuration, then you can also update or change this configuration to be 2 queen size bed accommodate together. So again, for the investment that you want to accommodate more people come in, you can also put 2 beds that accommodate 4 people at the same time. And you can see here there's a design of the full height wardrobe. This full height wardrobe, it has all the amenities together. So in this master bedroom, the special thing about this, there's a balcony design outside of this master bedroom. So if there's any need for you to go out getting some fresh air, or the expansion of this bedroom, you can see in the balcony. The best thing about this design is because it's only 8 to 10 floor high, so you will not see a very scary too high of the balcony, but this is a very friendly ground to the earth balcony. And from this master bedroom, there is another small room that you can utilize, and if you're a collection of the clothes, you can put it in this area. And also you can have a very big dressing area in this part, because before you go to the bathroom in this side, the dressing area here giving you the space for you to prepare, let's say after done from the bathroom. And if you want to play with some design, you can build a small cupboard here or small wardrobe where it will divide the space from the bathroom to the dressing and the master bedroom, but it still link up with the privacy in the master bedroom area. Now we are coming to the studio in the dual key unit. So you can see there is a very nice L-shaped kitchen cabinet where you can put all the simple cooking ingredients here. There is 2 small sockets here, and you can put in some racks to accommodate some of the items for the cooking area here. Now you can also put the fridge in this area where there's already a socket there, then you can plug the fridge directly in that area. And next to this kitchen here, there is a bathroom that is also very spacious for the studio area. If you walk more towards this area of the living and the bedroom at the same time, and you can play around with a lot of spaces here. One of the way that you can design the TV cabinet here, you can put the big screen TV here, and after you come back, let's say from work, or you need to accommodate some space here, there is a dressing table that actually also can act as a study table or working place here, where this is, you can put a small dining table where accommodate 2 people or 3 people directly, and this is the main bed that you can put directly across the TV cabinet just now. And this wardrobe right here, they're also full height, getting up to the ceiling, very tall. It can separate the room from the kitchen and the bedroom. So this wardrobe become a semi-partition where you can put all the amenities, all the storage inside of this studio unit. And you can have another table here where you can function it as multi-purpose, where you can put a lot of amenities, a lot of items. So in a very easy space here, you can even add on another 1 dining table here if you want to, that link down directly to the kitchen. This dining table is also served for the guests who come in, but you don't want them to see the privacy of the master bedroom at that area. So this is a very flexible design in the studio unit.
And also, this resort is a resort style based condo, so you can see it has a very unique features, and you can see the facility inside this area is very good. So there's 24 hours guardhouse and security, there is water features, clubhouse, lounge, gym, Arabic rooms, KTV room, and many theater, and there's swimming pool, kids pool, wet playground for children, for adults, and then barbecue park, and then reflexology, Zen garden, and then public car park for visitor, and wash bay, and also covered car park. So this is a very interesting features that not all condos have this kind of facilities.